Hey guys, Prof here. We got another video under the desk, and today I have a simple Hey guys, Prof here, and today we got another video under the desk here. Today I have a simple padded envelope here. It doesn't look anything too special there, but should be something that I've been trying to get for a couple months here. It kept on being sold out, so we're gonna get out the old knife here and give her a slice and dice. I already took out the packing slip. Just don't need to see that. Alright, so we got here is a Zowie. Let's see if we can bump up the, it's too bright. We got ourselves the Zowie, and my hand's covering it, EC2-B. Pull the plastic off here. Now, it's a very simple box, and I'll be keeping this box. That's clean for packaging design. You can only see a very slight outline of the gloss of the mouse here. EC2-B CSGO edition. I think the box is technically a little bit blue. Normally these are straight black. Yeah, it's slightly blue. I don't know if you can get that with my lighting under the desk here with the white balance I have set up, since this isn't the ideal location, but I've been trying to get this for quite some time. My current mouse that I use, which I will now be unplugging, Alright, so that took a bit longer than I expected. Oh, and don't forget to always close up your knife when you're not using it, so you don't cut yourself or others. But here is the mouse I have been using. You can definitely see some of the wear on there. It's actually gotten pretty grody. But this is the EC2-B from Zowie. I picked this up as soon as it was available as a replacement of the EC2A. I love the EC2A. Probably my favorite mouse currently. And I picked this up because of the sensor. You also have pulling right down here. The one thing I think they did worse on this, and I might try to mod this one since I have my limited edition CSGO one now, is I like the EC2-B feet better. It was just one big one and one big one. I really dislike these tiny feet. I have been using more of a soft pad now, and I will be going to the or the Zowie Blue, the GS something blue mouse pad when I give this a shot. But I much prefer the larger feet rather than these little ones, especially when I use a hard pad, which is actually my preference. My issue now is that I can't find one big enough, so I'm going to have to make my own, which is a thing I can do. It's just I have to find a piece of material big enough, and I don't like paying for that stuff since it gets quite expensive. But yeah, so this is what's getting replaced. We got the EC2-B. Not that it's worn out or anything, but I've wanted the CSGO edition here since this was shown. It was kind of shown in the EC2-B and A announcement, but I just thought maybe they were showing off some branding or something. But this has been available. You originally had to order it directly from Valve, but finally the other week they made this available direct from Zowie. So it's either ZowieDirect.com is usually where I ordered from, or you can buy from BenQDirect.com as well. I think Rexus in the US also sells some Zowie gear. Best Buy does also sell Zowie gear, but I believe it is only the older stuff. Like they still sell the EC1A. That's how I got my original one. It is branded BenQ, not Zowie though. But they don't have the white one or anything like that available. Let's slide this out here. We got ourselves the, oh, we're on the wide shot. Let's zoom in here. There we go. And we're zoomed in here. If you hear some interesting noises, that would be my mom's dog. What we got? Lower this down here. I can't reach that far under the desk. My desk is rather deep, if I haven't gone over that before. 3 foot deep, to be exact. And I have that set up due to all of my monitors, keyboards, mice, that sort of stuff. I just need a deeper desk, especially because I have a 32-inch 4K. If that was, say, at your normal 2 or 2.5 foot, it'd be way too close for me for a monitor that big. All right, just cutting those two off, and here we have it. Let's peel off that. Yep, still same feet. I'm not a fan of these. I think some people might prefer the smaller feet. Technically speaking, it shouldn't be a friction thing, because if you have smaller feet, there's more per inch, like per surface area, but there is less surface area. Whereas with the other one, there's less per surface area, but there's more surface area. I just prefer the feel of the nice big feet. In that way. So one thing I don't like is that this, you can kind of see it's glossy and raised. The Zowie logo is like that, and it's also on there in the same way. I just don't know, because this is higher up, if that'll wear off. I do have some wear. You can kind of see it right there, which is a little bit higher. You're about there. So we'll have to see if that wears off. Wouldn't be a huge thing. Coating on this versus my normal one. All right, let's see here. I'd say so far on the top, the normal one's a bit smoother. Otherwise, it feels like the same plastic. This might mostly just be due to me having... Yeah, the sides are definitely a little... I'm guessing it's just because of the paint or the whatever they used. If it's I don't know if it's a plastic color or not, but it does feel a bit more textured. Now, like I said, this one's been through the ringer since it came out and since I got it, so it could just be the fact that you can see some of the wear marks where it's a little glossier than other areas. But this is going to go straight into use, and we'll give it a go on both the Razer Gigantus, which is one of my favorite pads right now, and the Zowie GS whatever blue, that by a lot of pros is their favorite pad from Zowie. So, and they re-released that when I think it was around the EC2-A white when that came back out. So that's really it for this one. It's supposed to be a quick, short, just unboxing since I got the new mouse in. I will be keeping this packaging, and I will eventually do some pictures of all this for you. Might go in the video, maybe might not also. If you guys like the video, throw a like on there. If you have any comments, like as to why this is my favorite, or if you like Zowie or don't like Zowie for whatever reason, throw it down below. If you like content like this, and want to see more, hit subscribe. And if you need to hit me up anywhere on social media, it's at TheProfosist or at Tech Exchange depending on who you're trying to get a hold of. See you in the next video.